I've made a few changes. Damn, here comes a car. I've added a bit of wing area by adding about 15mm of Depron to the trailing edge and the tips. There's drift mode. It's going well. Alright, let's take it out in the field. It was reasonably tip-stally, especially downwind. We've actually got a little bit more wind today, so that's no good. And I wanted to be able to fly it slower. So I've added a bit of wing area, you can see it there. I've also cut the flaps and tilted them down a degree or two, just to give a bit more camber to the wing, as if the flaps are down a little bit more. Extended the wingtips a bit. You can see I nosed it in yesterday, crunched it up a bit, so I've repaired that. Haven't got a steerable nose wheel anymore, I've just got a fixed nose wheel, but with the drift mode you don't need the steerable wheel. So let's just see if we've made it less tip-stally and a bit slower. Going a bit nose up at the moment. That could be my down flaps. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to be flying into the wind, so it's going to be nice and slow coming through here. It's very rough in behind there. Well, it's going okay. Certainly not misbehaving. It's gliding. Well, it hasn't ruined it. Certainly flying well. Oh, I put a nice big arrow shaft wing spar in too, which is stiffened up the wings beautifully. That may have been the main problem, I think, with the flex and twist from having a floppy wing. I think it's going well, actually. Yeah. I think we've done well. See it flying off downwind, coming upwind now. It's as slow as I can get it, probably. Still had differential thrust on. I don't like differential thrust while I'm flying, I have to say. Turns it too hard. So I really like the stiffer wing. That's a good mod to do before you put the motors on. Also, a lot of the stuff I glued onto the wing just came off really easily, so it has a fair bit of mould release on it. So you really need to scuff it up or wash it before gluing anything on. Like the motors, I could just pull off in my hand even though I epoxied them on. I've actually scuffed it up and hot glued them on now. Going well. It's weather vaning a fair bit. Loops, no problems. Yeah, bigger ailerons means it rolls a lot better too. We just got into a massive thermal. Look at it. Wow. That's just climbing. That's crazy. Oh my god. It's going up. Can't glide it. Nice landing. You can see I put a nice big arrow shaft spar. That's about a 7.5mm woven carbon fibre arrow shaft all the way out to there. Added that much to the wingtips, that much 15mm to the trailing edge, just to give more area. Flaps are down a little bit, more camber. All looking good.